Hi once again. Still early morning here, so forgive my slight grogginess. Didn't get to make the cup of tea first. Anyway, trying to catch it before the sun comes over the trees here. So today we have a Toyota Vellfire. It's a 2012 March. It's the VL, so it's the VL hybrid. Yeah, sorry, yeah. Is it the VL hybrid? No, it's the hybrid, the 80H20 with a hybrid engine, and with 38,000 miles, 59,000 kilometers, and just another. I think it's a grade 4.5. Just a very nice, straight, clean, standard car. So let's take a look at it. Some front fog lights, HID AFS headlights, all-round parking sensors. It's got the factory standard alloys with very good radials and typical grade 4.5, very straight machine. Hybrid has been the big thing in Japan for 25 years, so it is part of the future for sure for countries like the UK. It's in my opinion, going totally electric is an impossibility, but and also who knows what the future technology is going to be. I'm not so sure about these kind of skateboard cars with massive batteries underneath them. So these things only have small batteries by comparison. Okay, it's got the remote doors, of course. It's four-wheel drive, and oh yes, the VL's got half awake here. Yeah, it's got the full beige leather interior and all the nice little options. Very clean. The extra headrest, yeah, is in here. Okay. It's got another button up here. Push to close. It's the Vellfire version as against the Alphard. The Alphard is actually more popular here in Japan by far. I'm not sure why. Okay. Moving around. As I say, it's a proper grade 4 car. So there are the Dropbox photographs, of course. You can peruse at your leisure. So with comprehensive photographs of the underneath. Okay. All the chrome is nice and bright. Comes with 2 smart keys. I think it's already open. Just open the back doors. On the beige leather, which is all in very nice condition. This one comes with the little optional Wilton carpet. Anyway, underneath, the original carpeting is all nice. And this actually is a dealer option. A bit of a strange one, but it's adds a bit of, keeps everything cleaner. Okay, let's move this chair. The rear third seats. You can see the sun is just starting to come over the trees, so I'm trying to get this done before. It's very hard to photograph or video interiors of cars in bright sunshine because you get such distinct shadows. So I got up early this morning, but I was planning to get up earlier, but because I had 2 or 3 cars to do. But as you do, you don't wake up quite as early as you think. Okay. So of course, if the key is in your pocket, it's keyless entry and push start, of course. Very nice driver carpet, and door card has memory positions for the driver's seat should you have more than one driver. Power front seats. Okay. Oops. Auto folding mirrors and front. Now that you can see it's got the rear fog light, illuminated rear fog light. We don't install the fog lights, so that should be done by your MOT guy in the UK. And it's got this nano air cleaning system, which is fairly popular here. Not sure what it does. Cruise control. It's got the Bluetooth controls and audio controls on this side. I'm going to explain everything before I turn the engine on, because this little device here is the recording device. Is the front camera recording device, and it beeps because it doesn't have the SD card in it. So when I do turn the engine on, it'll go beep, 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 which is annoying. It's got heated front seats, EV mode. And you've got all the books inside there. Sorry, I forget, but this one probably comes with what do you call it? Service records. Okay. Yeah, you've got the door controls and the sunroof controls. And looks like it's got automatic wipers. Yeah, auto wipers, auto lights. And I think I mentioned already, cruise control. Right, so let's turn on the, you can see this, the hybrid system. 59,000, just turned to 59,000 kilometers. We've driven it probably 20 or 30 kilometers. Yeah, so there's the beeping sound, sorry. So we'll just start it up. Here we go. You can see all the warning lights are off, EV ready. And we have a reverse camera. Nice engines. The charging is just on. What else does it have? Cup holders down here. Yeah, sorry for the annoying beeping noise. And yeah, just very nice, clean interior. This model comes, with controls for the front passenger seat in a very convenient location for the driver. And of course there's other controls on the side of the seat for the passenger to control the seat. Nice clean dash. Can be an issue with this model. Not so much the hybrid version. By 2012 it was pretty much not a problem anymore, but in the very early 2008-9's 20 series, you could get a bit of a sticky dash Curtain airbags, side airbags, front airbags. Yeah, I think that's about it for the interior. Probably forgetting something, but whatever. And let's have a look at the engine. Nice little pocket here. Good. Okay, here's the driver. Passenger side. Again, just very nice, very fresh. And you can see it's a grade 4.5B. And ASA 24, so it's 2012 March, 59,000 kilometers, and that's 39,000 miles, yeah, 38,000 miles, sorry. And it says W2 on the, what would be this panel here, but it's very well done. It's saying it's been repainted at the bottom of the door there, but whoever did the job has done a very good job, as you would on a car this quality. Let's see. Okay. So it's got, as I say, it's got the auto lights and auto wipers and front drive recorder. So yeah, I think we just about made it before the sun comes over. Actually, I have one more to do, but I'll probably have to leave it till tomorrow. So here we go. It's a 2012 March hybrid Vellfire VL, so top of the range, and with 38,000 miles. So yeah, just a very nice example. Whoever had it took really good care of it, thankfully. So if this car is of interest to you, please do talk to Paul at Japan Auto-Agents, and he can walk you through the process of buying it, and we can arrange the shipping. And presently we are shipping in containers, which is turning out to be in many respects even better than roll on, roll off. So okay, again, thank you for watching, and bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fit for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.